Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I want to share with you a beautiful design that's a study in contrast, from the urban chic of cement to the elegance of orchids. The vessel, a cement container. Now it's not watertight, so I've added a plastic liner and then wet foam pre-soaked with flower food. The flowers, elegant miniature cymbidium orchids, some pittosporum, eucalyptus, and a little bit of curly willow for some dynamic movement. All together, it'll be a great contrasting arrangement. The first step is to place the focal emphasis with the miniature cymbidiums. You want to analyze your stem, cut it down so that you have multiple sections. Then, placing it in low, right into the focal emphasis area, tucking it in so that it has plenty of water, coming back with the rest of the stem, giving it another cut, and adding it together for maximum fullness. With the emphasis in place, I can move on to creating line in the design. And it's fun to bring in willow with its natural movement, looking at the curvature, determining how best to set it in so that it really frames the arrangement. Giving it a cut, tucking it in place, and then repeating that with another stem, pruning it down, placing it, deciding if I want it forward or back. There's always a couple of different spots that are perfect. You just have to find the one that works with your particular design. Then coming in with some of the eucalyptus. So I have lines to one side, bringing in lines to the opposite side, following the same flowing movement, and picking up that beautiful concrete gray and carrying it into the arrangement. The emphasis, the lines. Now to add contrast and cover my mechanics, basically finish out the design. This is where the deep green of the pittosporum will be fabulous. Adding a little bit of visual weight to the design and hiding the foam. And then for a bit of a surprise, maybe a soft blush, the pink carnations, used based very low underneath, just to give a little bit of color to set everything else off. Just kind of weaving it in and around, maybe another. And then a little more pittosporum until all the mechanics are concealed. In floral design, often less is more. And something like this, the recipe is so minimal. One stem of miniature cymbidium orchids, 2 pink carnations, a part of a stem of the pittosporum, a bit of eucalyptus, 2 branches of curly willow. The simplicity adds elegance to the elements and principles of floral design. There are so many different styles popular in floral design today. You need only look at Pinterest, Instagram, or flowerschool.com, and you'll see lots of different ways to work with fresh flowers. In a linear, minimal design focused on elements and principles is just one. You'll find so much more creative inspiration at the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create? Find your flowers, design away, and then be sure to take a picture. Post it on social media and tag Floral Design Institute. That way I can see and the Tulip Tribe can see what you do as you do something you love.